right, well, these are the grates I built. I'm eventually going to build another smoker, but I tried to build this to increase my surface area so I could put the racks, one rack here, one rack here, and then maybe another rack on the top. But I think I'm gonna junk this one and make one that is better. I thought of a new design, so I'm just really playing, making stuff. Probably not the safest, but I turned my wood miter saw into a metal chop saw. Just switched out to a kind of a grinding blade. Always wear hearing protection and eyes. Otherwise you'll end up deaf. And maybe with a couple of slivers of metal in your eye. I take care of a lot of people that come in their 50s and 60s and they can't hear. They're already having hearing loss. So even though this doesn't hurt my ears, if I don't wear hearing protection, it will, this adds up over time. it doesn't fit because of that lip right there. Apparently, there's a nice big hole. So I may need to cut this lip off. That's what I'm gonna have to do. So this next part I'm going to work on is, this is where the grate sits. So I need to put another one a little bit higher up on both sides, so I can put another grate, another one of these on. So I'm going to have to, this angle iron sticks out just a little bit too far, so I'm gonna have to cut a small sliver out, just like I've done down here, and then I'll weld this to here, here, and there. I've already cut this one. So this is the rack holder. I mean, it's nothing pretty, but it's functional. So I've pretty much maxed out the space. So this is the largest rack. Okay, we're gonna get the second rack. It has to be. Well, I don't know. That's probably about right here. So I can make one more here and maybe a short one up top. This is what I got today from Amazon, Evolution Power Tools. It is a metal chop saw. Racks built. Okay, I finished up this rack system. It's got room for 1, 2, 3, 4 trays. I just finished up my last tray. That's the top one. It's the smallest one. So we're gonna put these things on. Got a lot more surface area. I might be able to do a whole brisket. We shall see. So that's the end of my jerky rack building. It was a good project, and I'm ready to build my smoker. That'll be in one of my next videos.